Have you ever wished you could bottle up that warm, fuzzy feeling you get during the holidays? Today, we're turning gratitude into something even more magical, something that can deepen your connections and brighten someone's day. The holidays are filled with moments of laughter, joy, and connection, but at the heart of it all are the people we share them with. Maybe it's a family member who makes you feel safe, a friend who always makes you laugh, or a neighbor who lends a helping hand. For me, my mom's warmth, my dad's playful humor, and my best friend's unwavering support are the gifts I cherish most. But how often do we stop to tell these people what they mean to us? Gratitude journaling can help you put those feelings into words, creating a ripple effect of love and connection. Let's dive into how you can do this in a meaningful way. Let's begin with a simple exercise to help you reflect on the people who matter most. Here's how to start your gratitude journaling practice. Step 1. Name the person. Think about someone who has made a difference in your life recently. Write their name and one small thing they've done. For example, Mom, for always making me feel at home during the holidays. Michelle, for being the first to check on me when I was sick. Take 30 seconds now. Pause the video and jot down one name and one act of kindness they've shown. Let's make this moment count. Step 2. Add specific memories. Reflect on a memory involving this person that brings you joy. For instance, last December, Michelle surprised me with tea and stayed for hours, reminding me I wasn't alone. Think about a small gesture someone made that stayed with you. What emotions did it bring up? Step 3. Expand it into a letter. Now, turn your thoughts into a heartfelt letter. Use this structure. Start with why you're writing. I've been reflecting on the people I'm most thankful for, and you came to mind. Include specific details. Your kindness last December made me feel so cared for. It's something I'll never forget. Close with a thoughtful wish. I hope this season brings you the same joy you've given me. Imagine how this letter could brighten someone's day. That's the power of gratitude. Sometimes finding the right words isn't easy. Here are a few prompts to help get you started. You make the holidays special by: one thing I've never told you is, I appreciate the way you always. If the person isn't in your life anymore, focus on the lessons or memories they left behind. For example, Grandpa taught me to find joy in small things, and I carry that with me every day. For difficult relationships, look for one positive moment to write about. I appreciate the way you encouraged me when I needed it most. Remember, gratitude doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be real. Once you've written your gratitude notes, you can turn them into a meaningful tradition. Create a gratitude jar. Add one note for each family member and read them together on Christmas morning. Write gratitude tags for your holiday gifts, explaining why you appreciate the person receiving them. Share your gratitude letter during a cozy coffee date or family dinner. These small acts of kindness can create lasting memories for you and your loved ones. Sharing your gratitude doesn't have to be fancy. It just has to come from the heart. Here's a special activity to try. Create a family gratitude chain. Write one thing you're grateful for about each family member on a strip of paper. Connect the strips to form a chain and display it somewhere special in your home. Invite your family to add their own links to the chain throughout the season. Together, you'll build a beautiful reminder of the love you share. I'd love to hear who your first gratitude note is for. Share it in the comments below. Holidays are about connection, and journaling helps you hold on to those connections forever. If this video inspired you, give it a like, share it with someone who loves the holidays, and explore more videos on my channel for even more journaling ideas. Next time, we'll explore reflecting on the year, turning high points into hope. Bring your journal and I'll show you how to celebrate your best moments of the year and use them to create a meaningful path forward. See you in episode 4.